Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we are looking at ticker symbol ACN, Accenture PLC. This is an IT services company in Ireland. We're going to see what the potential bull and bear targets are for this stock based on how their earnings are today. We're going to see what institutions and hedge funds are doing. We're going to run my proprietary stock projection calculation to see if we are kind of heading higher, trending lower. Again, we're going to see what institutions and hedge funds are doing. I don't know if I already said that. And we're going to hit the subscribe button. Click, click, click. Okay. So, looking at this stock, um, looking at upside targets, and I'm just going to note this down. This is ACN. We do have, let's go ahead and draw these out. Horizontal line. So we do have support at 297. So that's going to be our first target, number one to the upside. 297.89. Then we're going to look at right here. 389. And let's look up a little bit higher. Good resistance support right there. 310.56. And then last upside target, there's the gap at 322. So 322.89. Okay, and then targets to the downside. We're going to look at the bigger picture here because I've kind of mucked up this chart. Okay, so it looks like we actually have really good support. We've seen support, let's see. Gosh, right there. 250.74 is going to be one of our lower targets, 250.74. But one of our higher targets, that's quite a bit away. I mean, we do have really good support here as well, 265.19. And then if I had to look one more time, I would have to say right here, 279.63. Okay. So those are our bullish and bearish targets if the stock does well or does not do well. As someone who likes discounts, again, getting down to this 250 would be nice. Whoops. Well, we do have, again, that's our double top all-time high, but this is what I wanted to do. Something like that. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we also have a little whoop-de-whoop right here. There we go. All right, so I like this overall. Nice one big flag. Ate up a few minutes there. Sorry about that. Okay, looking at our technicals, strength is actually with the bears. Momentum is on its way down. That's a bearish. Money flow is down, and relative momentum indicator is going down. So, with all that said, I think we're heading down. We're going to run my proprietary calculation here in a second. Look at these sales, just absolutely beautiful. Shares outstanding being naturally gobbled up. EPS up and to the right. I mean, you can't ask for anything better. Gross margin 32%, fantastic. They are profitable. Earnings per share over the past 5 years 11%. Sales past years 9%. I mean, their guidance 3% this year, next year 7%. Pretty weak, in my opinion, honestly. I don't know why they're guiding so low. It could be a tactic, setting the bar low, coming in, beating that low bar, looking really super cool, drinking some fancy water, you know? Because I mean, over the past 5 years, they're up in the 11 and 9%, but they're saying 3 and 7. Okay. Price earnings a little expensive. Forward price earnings a little bit expensive. I think this is just saying the stock needs to come down a little more. That's basically, I think, the vibe I'm getting. But let's run my calculation. They have 181 billion 330 million in market cap. Good for them. Plus, they do 7 billion 30 million in income. Plus, they do 64 billion 570 million in sales. Insane. I'm gonna need to check and see if this is USD really quick. Apologies for dragging you all the way down. Whoops. USD. It is USD. And a lot of insider selling. So I've got all this fun stuff and we're gonna go back down. So apologies, I'm taking you guys on a trip with me. Again, balance sheet. While we do this, I mean, look at it's a lot of selling, man. I don't see them getting options either at the moment. That's a lot of selling, man. The director just sold out to zero. Good job, Giles. Not red flagish, but also it fits in our narrative that this could be going down further. Um, so just, forewarning. Looking at the cash, they have 5 billion in cash, so plus 5,125,650,000. They have total debt of 2 billion minus 2 billion 364,890,000. Yes. And really quickly, they have 51.3 billion in assets, 23.5 in liabilities. Their assets dwarf their liabilities 2 to 1, which is comforting, very comforting. But I think we're going to see some weakness in the stock. So, anyway, sorry, going on tangent. We're going to go back on up and we're going to divide this by 627,120,000. It's saying a stock price of 407. I mean, it's gotten there before. I don't think we get there now. And I think that's due to actually the market cap increasing and our institutional ownership probably seeing a big spike. So let me just double check ACN. So what I'm trying to piece together for you, this puzzle, basically my calculation saying this company is undervalued, but I mean, looking at the trend, don't fight the trend. The friend is your trend. The trend is your friend until the end. I don't think it's the end. Um, but what could be the reason and one of the drivers for the high calculation is this market cap. And the reason this market cap would be high is because institutions are adding hand over fist. Now, are they adding hand over fist? We're going to find out in about 10 seconds. Institutional ownership currently is 78.89. What is your definition of hand over fist? If institutions own higher than 100%, is that hand over fist? We're going to find out. 3, 2, 1, 0. 84%. I don't consider that. That's a 6% increase. I don't consider that hand over fist. But I do want to take a closer look at this. So we are. Looks like the end of probably January 2023. The same type of institutional ownership. January 2023, the stock price was 295 to 262. So again, I just think it's going to continue going down for a little bit. We looked at our bull targets, we looked at our bear targets, we ran my calculation. My calculation said it's super hot. However, don't fight the trend, don't fight momentum, don't fight the cycle. Institutions have added about 6% more. Insiders are selling like this is, expired bread. You don't sell expired bread, you throw it out. To the point where they start buying the heck out of the stock. Maybe we see this reverse. That's their call. However, I don't think I've seen them buy in a long time. And really quick, I do want to just check because sometimes this is sneaky. Here's the the C-suite and directors, etc. I'm gonna see if they have major ownership stakes here. No, Vanguard and BlackRock. Vanguard added about 1.26 million, 1.206 million. BlackRock added about 532,000 shares. So yeah. Anyway, I didn't see them, so they're not major owners. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, good luck if you're in this one. Take care. Goodbye.